Hello boys and girls, today is 21 October 2023. This is a Motorola E4 phone, but this video is about unboxing a Moto G power phone. Okay, and the reason for opening this Moto G phone is because I have three phones, and yesterday I installed a new car battery in my truck, and I was trying to buy it from Costco, and they're out of it, and Costco is very close to where I live. And so then what happened? So then I tried calling Mom, because I'd borrowed her car to go get the darn battery because I couldn't drive my truck. And so I tried calling her back on two phones. I have bad reception down there, so I left my Samsung phone on top of the car because I was trying to get in her car because I don't used to drive her car and all that, and put the battery back in the trunk because I'd taken it inside Costco to trade it in. Long story short, after I did all that and used two different phones to try to call her, I couldn't get a hold of her, and come to find out after I got back that she was on the phone with somebody and she didn't do the call waiting and click in. Okay, so anyway, long story short, I had left my Samsung phone on top of her car while I was manipulating the battery, and I forgot the phone was on top of the car. So I proceeded to the next store to buy the battery, and as I was getting on the freeway, I heard a clunk from the roof of the car, and it's like, uh-oh, and then I realized that was the phone. So I pulled over the car, ran back and got the phone, and the phone was, well, here it is. It's rather damaged. It's this is my Samsung 7 phone. Let me take the cover off, right? So it is, yeah, it's a Samsung phone. You can still read that there, right? But it's very badly damaged. Now it still works. It's actually on right now, but I can't turn it off, and the little volume control buttons, if you can see that there, little volume control buttons, one's pushed in and you just can't do anything with it. So I've downloaded all the data I can off of it because that still works, the battery still works, but I can't turn it off. So hopefully I can take the SIM card out of the top here and install it into another phone. In the meantime, I have this here, the Motorola phone, which is the oldest phone, the red one here. This is the, what I call the orange phone, because it's in an orange case. I have the red phone, that one. And then I have the big green phone. So I have the big green phone, the old red phone, and then the orange phone. Three phones, okay? But going back to my screen here, whoops, I opened this up, and I bought this Motorola G Power back in, come on now, move, there we go, that's close enough. I bought this Motorola G Power phone, which is here. There it is. I paid $179 for it. Okay, so I got it there. Yeah, I take screenshots of everything I do, so there it is. And then here's the specifications of it. Whoops, well, yeah, view all specifications. I took screenshots of the specifications, so it comes in a black, and it just, that stuff there, and what's in the box comes with a charger, USB-C cable, guides, and a SIM tool. And that's about it. And it is compatible with my wireless service, which is called Text Now. So yeah, I bought this from Motorola. Okay, and so I paid that plus discounts, and I think that's, Yeah, so it was a grand total of 181.68, and that's as far as we're going to go with that. All right, so okay, so now let me just get out of that screen, just drop kick this, and then what else were we doing here? Yeah, okay, no, all right, that's something else. All right, well anyway, let me just, okay, forget all that. That'd be for another video. All right, so here is the unopened, still sealed in the box, still got the tape on it, never been opened Motorola G phone that, why did I buy something and never ever use it? Who knows? But there it is, right? So let's open it here, okay? We didn't get a knife. Oh golly. Here's a knife. There's a knife. Okay, so let's get a knife. Let's pop this open. I do have a case for it, and I do have a brand new 512 Samsung card, which I didn't bring with me. Is that all I need, just to slice through here? Yeah, that's it. So should be able to just pop it open. So there we go, it's been opened. And here's the phone in plastic. And what's underneath this? Underneath here we've got a charger. So there's a charger, and there's a brand new charger. And we've got a cord, and let's see here, cord. Yep. Okay, I guess we can just unwrap that. Wow. Well, can we just pull this through here? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we got that. So there's a nice heavy duty. Oh, it's a new, oh, that's a Type-C cord. Okay, well, there's a Type-C cord, a charger, which is what? It's a, heck, I don't know, I'll let you see it here. Can you see that if I, well, there. Should be able to see it now if you zoom in or pause or whatever, but that's the part number. Okay, so there's that and that. It's supposed to come with a SIM tool of some sort, so. Well, there's nothing under here. You didn't see a SIM tool fall out, did you? Maybe it's in with the phone. Let's see here. Well, is this a sleeve? Well, I guess it's a sleeve, but well, just a sleeve. Well, let's see here. I guess we have to unwrap this. There we go. Okay, so there it is. It's got, well, I don't know, looks like that on the back, and looks like this on the front, and it's got whatever you can see there on the edge on the back, and oh man, well, okay, there's where the SIM card goes in the side. The SIM card goes in the side, and nothing on top. It's got 3 buttons here on this side, and I guess it got a speaker here, and the power input thing there, and a headphone jack, and Yeah, it's real hard to see, but there's a really tiny little speaker up here at the top, and I guess that's a speaker at the bottom. Okay, it's supposed to have stereo sound, and there is a, yeah, hard to see, but there is a selfie camera. I think it's 16 megabyte front and back. I don't see a flash on the front, but oh well. Okay, there is a flashlight on the back. It's got, I guess, 3 cameras, and that's about it. So I guess if I push and hold, would it come on? Oh, it does come on. Look at that. Booting for the first time ever. Okay, so you'll see what I see. It just vibrated. So it's been in the box for however long. Hi there. Start. I'm not going to start. Yeah, I'm not going to start. I'm going to do this later. But okay. So yeah, I'll just hit the power button again and power off. So power off, restart, and emergencies. Power off, shutting down. It vibrated again. And that was it. So, okay. I'll be looking for a sim tool. And, oh golly, so here, so, now I've got a new, yeah, that one's working, and this one's definitely trashed. Oh boy, so, yeah, definitely trashed. It says Samsung. Still says Samsung on there, so I'm going to trade my Samsung phone for this new Motorola G. Where's the, oh, there is something in here. Wait, let me go back to the tripod. There might be something inside that sleeve. Okay, let's see here. So here, let's, just the Moto G. Oh, there's a sim tool. Joy. Just what I need. There's a sim tool. Okay. So the sim tool, the instructions, and whatever else I need to know about this. Fabulous. That's what I needed. Okay. So we got a power cord, sim tool, that. This. So we've got, so how much, so here is the Samsung and the new phone, right? And here is the, what is this? This is a, well, here is my motor. Okay, this is a G Power. I can't remember what this is. This is a, I guess we go to settings, right? Where's settings on this thing? I'll do settings. Here, settings. So, time. What is this? About phone. Okay, this is a Motorola E5 Plus. That's what this is. This is a Motorola E5 Plus. Okay, so it's, I guess, about the same size, the same width, everything. Okay, so, and the reason, well, I was going to be updating this phone, but I'll show you why, or I hope that I don't have this same issue with the G Power that I've had with this one. Because this one here, while it does work, it has the bloated battery syndrome. Okay, it's very extra thick. Hopefully you can see that there. So it does work, but the back came off it a long time ago because it just wouldn't stay on there. So I'm only using one of these as the battery back cover thing. So you know how you check the battery if it's no good by spinning it, you know? Well, this this definitely spins. Not supposed to spin, but it spins. Okay, so, but it does work. It's just bloated battery, so I took the battery off, took the back cover off of it, and mind you, there are no, this is all the applications I use. This is all the applications I use. That's it. There's nothing to scroll to. Whoops, well, so all I have is Facebook, Messenger, Text Now, YouTube, VLC, Outlook. That's it. And that's the way I keep all my phones. Simple. You know, this one here is the same way. Again, just Facebook, VLC, Messenger, and Text Now and YouTube. And that's it. There is no, well, what was that? Where'd that come from? I don't do, okay, well, I guess it does swipe to something. So there's whatever this is. What is that? Okay, well, I've never used that, so that's all I know. So hopefully I can take this and get the SIM card out of it while it's live, not, it's still, okay, yeah, there it is. You see it? It's, well, okay. Here, let me hold it up here. See, it's still lighting up. Still lighting up, trying to tell me something. I don't know what. So, anyway, just having too much fun here. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. This has been my unboxing of this because I got to go now and do what I got to do to make this work. Make the new phone work with this old phone number. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm having way too much fun. Alright, that's my story, my happy little update before tomorrow. Tomorrow is my day again. My 64th day. Good day. Bye-bye.